What is up, y'all? It's your favorite producer, Ron, got the recipe, and today we're going to be talking about the one chord you need to know in order to make your beats more soulful. You want that R&B, that Neo Soul, that vibe? Then this is the video for you. And as always, if you like content like this, hit me with a like, leave a comment, and if you really like it, subscribe to the channel. Let's get it. All right, y'all, we got a blank canvas here. Let's drop these drums and get straight to that melody. All right, I'll take that. Here's the cheat code. The chord that you need to be adding to your arrangements to get that soulful, that jazzy, that neo soul, whatever you want, is the ninth. All right, so it can be a major ninth or a minor ninth. All right, so we've got C minor ninth, B flat, seventh. All right, and all that is the B flat and D to make a nine. So C minor, B flat, D. All right? F minor 11, F minor, E flat, G, makes it 9. Then we got D minor, 9. All right, D flat, 9. Back to C, C minor 9. I'm using Rhodes Anthology, so this is as realistic as we can get to Rhodes. From Rhodes, playing Rhodes, from Rhodes, all right? And if you want to cop this, I got a link below to save some cash. So we've got C minor 9, 2, 3, 4 to F minor 9, 2, 3, 4 to D minor 9, 1, 2, 3, 4 to D flat major 9, and then back to C minor 9. All right, let's give it a shot. All right, let's take it a step further. We're gonna add one more note. We're gonna go from playing the 9 to the 11. On all of this, adding one more note. Got it? So now we're playing C, E flat, G, B flat, D, and F. From here to here. All right, and the same thing, we're gonna translate that to the next chord. And the next chord. And the next chord. And then back down. Okay? Keep practicing that, and let's put it down in real time. Here we go. Boom. And our chords are down. All right, we'll do one more trick for that Neo Soul vibe. We'll put some piano up. I'm gonna bring up Addictive keys, one of my favorite pianos to use. Obviously, y'all know that by now. Gonna use the modern upright piano. I like the grit. All right, we're using the modern grit, and we're gonna just play 4 notes: D, G, E, and E flat, all right? And the pattern is da 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 da. Giving you that extra, okay? Now you could go and put the bass line down too. Y'all know me, I love that Rickenbacker bass from Native Instruments. Don't talk to me about no other basses. All right, we got our bass pulled up here. We're gonna follow the root notes. So C to F to D, and 1 step down to C sharp. All right, let's get it. And just like that, we got what we need. We got a simple chord you can apply to any phrase you want, any beat you want. This music thing really isn't hard. It's just about learning some techniques and applying it to what you already know. So now you know the chord you need to add to your arrangements is not just one chord, but it's the 9th, the minor 9th, the major 9th, and the 11th. Yeah, it's that simple. I'll see y'all on the next one. Peace.
Hey, what's up, y'all? Thanks for watching this video. I really appreciate it. If you like what you saw, don't forget to leave a comment, a like, share this video with a friend, and if you want to see more videos like this, subscribe to the channel. Peace.